Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today in this video we will learn about another multiplication trick which is below base 10,000. In this trick we multiply the numbers lesser than 10,000 but are near to 10,000. So let's understand it better by taking examples. Now the question is 9,995 multiplied by 9,992. So let's first find out the deviation. So 9,995 minus 10,000 gives you minus 5 as deviation, and 9,992 minus 10,000 gives you minus 8 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation. So 9,995 plus the deviation is negative, so minus 8. Now here 9,995, now plus and minus gives you minus, so minus 8. And in the second partition, multiply the deviations, which will be minus 5 multiplied by minus 8. Now minus multiplied by minus is plus and 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. So we get 40 in the second partition. And in the first partition, we get 9,987. Since the base is 10,000, so we need to have 4 digits in the second partition. Since we have only 2 digits here in the second partition, so we'll add 2 zeros before the number. So the final answer will be 99870040. Now let's understand the second question. The second question is 9988 multiplied by 9996. Here also we'll find out the deviations first. So 9988 minus 10,000, which gives you minus 12 as deviation, and 9996 minus 10,000, which gives you minus 4 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation. So 9988 minus 4, since the deviation is minus, and in the second partition multiply the deviations, for which we get minus 12 multiplied by minus 4. So in the first partition we get 9984, and in the second partition 12 fours are 48, and minus multiplied by minus is plus. So we get plus 48. Now, since the base is 10,000 and we need to have 4 digits in the second partition, since we have 2 digits over here, so we'll add 2 zeros before the number. So the final answer will be 99840048. Now let's take some more examples to understand this concept better. Now the first question is 9,994 multiplied by 9,987. So let's first find out the deviations. So number minus the primary base number. So 9994 minus 10,000, which gives you minus 6 as deviation, and 9987 minus 10,000, which gives you minus 13 as deviation. Now make a partition. First number plus the second deviation. So 9994 plus, since the deviation is negative, so minus 13. So here 9994 plus and minus makes it minus, so minus 13. So in the first partition we get 9981 as answer. Now in the second partition we multiply the deviations. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 13. So 6 13s are 78, and minus multiplied by minus is plus. So we get plus 78 over here. Now since the base is 10,000 and we need to have 4 digits in the second partition, so we will add 2 zeros before the number. So 0078. So the final answer is 99810078. Now let's take another example. So the question is 9984 multiplied by 9997. So here let's find out the deviations. So 9984 minus 10,000 gives you minus 16 as deviation, and 9997 minus 10,000 gives you minus 3 as deviation. Now make a partition. First number plus the second deviation in the first partition. So 9984 minus 3, and in the second partition minus 16 multiplied by minus 3. So in the first partition we get 9981, and in the second partition minus multiplied by minus is plus, and 16 multiplied by 3 we get 48. So now, since the base is 10,000 and we need to have 4 digits in the second partition, so we will add 2 zeros before 48. So the final answer will be 99810048. I request you all to please practice these tricks thoroughly in order to use them in your day-to-day calculations. And if you want practice question book, then you can WhatsApp me on the number given in the description below. And please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys, and please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.